that's that. I bet it's Venus. There's gotta be something up on that. There's gotta be.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't know if there's a. I mean, here's a heater right here.
And see, it goes up.
I'm wondering.
Through.
I don't know if there's another one on that other side. If there's duct work.